Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm delighted to share with you 5 different ways to do chain stitch. Basic chain stitch. A simple yet classic stitch that's perfect for beginners. To start, bring your needle up and insert back into the same hole. Then, bring the needle back up through the loop, catching the loop as you go. Continue the process to create a chain of stitches. For those of you looking to add some texture to embroidery, the threaded chain stitch is a fantastic option. You want to make a row of detached chain stitches. Using the blunt needle in contrasting thread, bring needle up on the last chain. And then you want to lace thread back and forth under each chain. Remember, do not catch fabric. For the opposite side, start again at the bottom and lace in opposite direction. Try to keep the loops even on both sides. Next, we have the zigzag chain stitch. Do the first stitch exactly like the basic chain stitch, angling between the two lines. This creates a lovely texture that's great for adding detail to your work. It's okay if it's a little wonky at first. Try to look at the whole picture to measure the distance, rather than just one stitch at a time. And then the next one, we have the feather chain stitch. This is a delicate border stitch that resembles a vine. A beautiful and intricate stitch that adds the feather-like effect to your embroidery. Starting at one side of the line, do a basic chain stitch pointed 45 degrees to the center. Bring the needle back and make a straight stitch approximately the same size as your basic chain stitch. And then bring the needle back to create another chain stitch but slightly lower than the first one. Repeat the process for each stitch to create a stunning feathery effect. Now, let's talk about the lazy daisy stitch. To make a lazy daisy stitch, create a loop with your thread. Bring the needle up through the ends of the loop and make a small straight stitch to anchor the loop in place. That's how you create a petal. That's exactly the same as a detached chain stitch. Create petals around the circle and then you'll have a lovely daisy. And there you have it, 5 different ways to create chain stitch. I hope you found these variations inspiring and that you'll give them a try in your next embroidery project. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you find this helpful, and let me know in the comment which chain stitch you will incorporate in your next embroidery project. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!